What do we got, Kathy? What do we got? What do we got?
Mini dogs.
Benny what?
Mini pigs in a blanket.
You guys just leave the residence alone because you guys are messing up with the kids. And then it's all over the place. And
Top of there's multiple addresses, and you're like, this doesn't really make sense. My address is here, then the next address is here.
Hey, that's my brother. Have a safe trip out there on the road. Go ahead, Bob. You got this. Chew!
Yes, sir. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, we're back here in IA and look at this view. What is happening, people? We are done for the day. Now we're gonna help each other, me and Alex, close for the night. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we done for the day. I got Mr. Hoy back there. Yeah, you.
How's it?
Yes, sir.
Hey, good job today. Great job today, actually.
Yes.
I want to wish everybody one happy Thanksgiving because I'm not going to be here for the rest of the week. You guys have a good one.
Raja.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Uncle.
Yeah, yeah.
Have a good one. So, I just found out it's my boss's birthday. Freaking Ian didn't even say nothing. Anyway, from all of us here at Baba, to you, thank you so much for everything. Happiest birthday. Wishing you nothing but the best. God bless. Shoot.